How to keep the spark alive in a long term relationship. Long term relationships bring comfort, security, and deep companionship. But let's be honest, maintaining that initial spark can become challenging as the years go by. So, how do you keep your relationship exciting, passionate, and fulfilling even after years together? Today, we're diving into practical and proven strategies to help you keep the spark alive in a long term relationship. Why do relationships lose their spark? First, let's address the elephant in the room. Why does the spark fade over time? The honeymoon phase of a relationship is fueled by novelty, excitement, and an abundance of dopamine. But as routines settle in, life's demands take over, and familiarity grows. Those initial fireworks often dim. This doesn't mean your relationship is doomed. In fact, losing the initial spark is normal, but it's also an opportunity to build something even deeper, a connection that blends passion with profound intimacy. How to keep the spark alive. Here are some practical strategies to reignite passion, deepen connection, and ensure your relationship remains vibrant for years to come. 1. Prioritize quality time together. In the hustle and bustle of life, juggling work deadlines, raising children, managing household responsibilities, it's easy for couples to drift into routines that leave little room for meaningful connection. That's why prioritizing intentional quality time together is one of the most effective ways to nurture your relationship and keep the spark alive. Why it matters. Spending dedicated time together helps you reconnect, bond, and maintain a sense of partnership. It's in these moments that you rediscover what you love about each other and create new shared memories. Quality time fosters better communication as uninterrupted moments allow for deeper, more meaningful conversations. When couples prioritize time for each other, they send a powerful message. Our relationship is a priority. This intentional focus strengthens emotional intimacy and reminds both partners of the value they bring to the relationship. How to practice. Plan regular date nights. Block out time in your schedules for regular date nights. These don't have to be extravagant. Even a simple dinner at home with candles and good conversation can feel special. Take turns planning date nights to add an element of surprise and variety. Take a tech-free weekend trip. Disconnect from digital distractions and focus solely on each other. A weekend getaway, even if it's a short drive away, offers a refreshing change of scenery and uninterrupted time to reconnect. Choose activities that both of you enjoy, like exploring a new city, hiking, or simply relaxing in nature. Try new activities together. 2. Keep the element of surprise alive. One of the reasons the spark fades is predictability. Introducing an element of surprise can reignite excitement in your relationship. Why it matters. Surprises create a sense of novelty, which triggers the same dopamine rush as the honeymoon phase. How to practice. Leave unexpected love notes. Plan a surprise date or getaway. Buy them something meaningful just because. It doesn't have to be extravagant, it's the thoughtfulness that counts. 3. Communicate openly and honestly. Good communication is the backbone of every thriving relationship. Keeping the spark alive requires both partners to feel heard, valued, and understood. Why it matters. Emotional intimacy often leads to greater physical intimacy and connection. How to practice. Share your feelings regularly. Have meaningful conversations about your dreams, fears, and goals. Address any concerns before they become bigger issues. 4. Maintain physical intimacy. Physical touch is a powerful way to connect with your partner, and it goes beyond just sex. Simple gestures like holding hands, cuddling, or hugging can make a big difference. Why it matters. Physical intimacy releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which strengthens emotional connections. How to practice. Make an effort to initiate physical affection daily. Schedule intimate moments if life gets too busy. Explore new ways to connect physically, whether it's through a massage or a new shared activity. 5. Laugh together. Laughter is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to bring joy and lightness back into a relationship. Why it matters. Shared humor builds a positive connection and reduces stress. How to practice. Watch a comedy show or funny movie together. Recall funny memories from your relationship. Be playful and don't take yourselves too seriously. 6. Continue to grow as individuals. One of the best ways to keep the spark alive is to maintain your own passions, hobbies, and personal growth. When you grow as individuals, you bring fresh energy and perspectives into the relationship. Why it matters. Your personal growth enriches your partnership by keeping things dynamic and interesting. How to practice. Pursue hobbies or interests that excite you. Encourage your partner to do the same. Share your learnings and experiences with each other. 7. Express gratitude regularly. Appreciation is a powerful way to make your partner feel valued and loved. Acknowledging the little things they do can reignite affection. Why it matters. Gratitude fosters positivity and reminds you why you fell in love. How to practice. Say thank you for everyday acts of kindness. Write a heartfelt note or letter expressing your appreciation. Focus on your partner's strengths rather than their flaws. 8. Revisit your early days. Sometimes the best way to reignite the spark is to relive the moments that brought you together in the first place. Why it matters. Nostalgia can evoke positive emotions and rekindle passion. How to practice. Recreate your first date or your favorite memories. Look through old photos or videos together. Talk about the moments that made you fall in love. 9. Set shared goals. Having a vision for your future together can bring renewed purpose and excitement to your relationship. Why it matters. Working toward common goals strengthens your bond and keeps you moving forward as a team. How to practice. Set goals related to travel, health, finances, or personal development. Create a vision board together. Celebrate milestones along the way. 10. Seek professional help when needed. If you feel the spark fading despite your best efforts, consider seeking the guidance of a relationship counselor or therapist. Why it matters. Professional help provides tools and strategies to overcome challenges and reignite your connection. How to practice. Approach therapy as a proactive step, not a last resort. Be open to learning and growing together. Midway call to action. If you're enjoying these tips and want more relationship insights, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Let's build stronger, happier relationships together. What to remember. Keeping the spark alive in a long-term relationship isn't about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the small, intentional actions you take every day to nurture your connection. Here's a quick recap of the key strategies. Prioritize quality time together. Introduce the element of surprise. Communicate openly and honestly. Maintain physical intimacy. Laugh together and be playful. Grow as individuals. Express gratitude regularly. Revisit your early days. Set shared goals for your future. Seek professional help when needed. Closing thoughts. Long-term relationships are like gardens. They require care, patience, and attention to flourish. By incorporating these strategies into your relationship, you can keep the spark alive and create a partnership that's not only enduring, but deeply fulfilling. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.